Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dre, the Bread Talker. Listen, I'm incredibly excited to be sharing some information with you today, to be sharing some information about a company that I've been in partnership with for about 7, 8 months right now, Akashx. Listen, they provide so many great resources for those that want to learn how to trade, for those who know how to trade, and for those who really know how to trade, the experts. So it doesn't matter what level you are in, this company can match whatever that energy is that you have. Whether you're trading in the financial markets, whether you're trading crypto, whether you're trading forex, stocks, if you know how to trade futures, you can utilize this platform to execute some phenomenal trades and be successful. If you want to trade binary options, this tools and resources that they offer here can help you analyze and scan the market in a way so that you can forecast the market more successfully. Again, I know I may be having some people who are brand new to this information. So when I say scan the market, I mean looking for opportunities to maximize your profit, right? Maximize. We teach you about risk management. It's one of the most important things, probably number one on the list with regard to learning this stuff. Once you start trading, you need to know risk management. So our community here, I'm in partnership with a phenomenal group with Rich University, and Akashx has been an incredible marriage. So let's get into the meat. Before we do begin, really start diving in, be sure to select a like, share, leave a comment, and please subscribe down below, right? This way you can stay in tune with all the new things that we have coming down the pipeline. And we have a plethora of information and resources on our channel alone that'll help you be successful. So let's go ahead and get to the meat and potatoes. Again, my name is Dre, Bread Talker. Been trading for almost 7 years now. Again, I came in not knowing anything about trading, so I could definitely relate to this stuff looking complicated, but it's very interesting because that's where we're at now. You're going to get access to live trading charts. You're going to access to our tap to trade system. This means that when an educator puts out their alerts, it will copy the trade if you select approve, and then either it'll go in profit or it won't go into profit. Whatever the educator is doing, or however they're executing their trade, and it's going to mimic itself. It's automatic. So all you got to do is either choose to select approve or not. And I'll show you what that looks like shortly. You get the access to your trade history, follow the different providers, trade providers, access to our daily live sessions. So again, sometimes people can't make the live sessions, and that's fine. We prefer that you do, but if in the event that you can't, all of the sessions are recorded and you'll have 24/7 access to it. Again, you get access to learning about the forex, stocks, crypto, and plenty of more. You're going to have access, if you, depending on the package you choose, you're going to have access to trade and travel. It's going to give you opportunity to embrace a new lifestyle. So I'll cover that information shortly, but let's go ahead and get moving. Once you log in, let me see. Here we go. Let's go log in. Once you log in, you'll have access to your account, right? And then you'll have access to all of the educators down here. You'll see different various educators here. You have a plethora of them, right? You'll have access to them. You'll be able to connect your accounts depending on the type of package that you got. You may have access to a $10,000 prop firm account, a $25,000 prop firm account, a $50,000 prop firm account, or even a $100,000 prop firm account. Now, for those who aren't familiar with prop firms, one of the things I like about our prop firms, because there's no time limit. A lot of prop firms that you get access to, there's a time limit, and then you have to reset your account and pay a little bit more money. With this, whatever you pay for, whatever account that you have, guess what? There's no time limit on it. And two, you get you get up to 80% to 90% split with the broker. So just to go back, what is a prop firm? There's three forms of trading. One, you got prop firm, you got demo trading. That's where you're trading in a real-time market, but it's just monopoly money. It's not real money, but it's the real market. So this is the one we highly recommend that you utilize, This way you can maximize your, or you can leverage your trading skill or maximize or becoming a better trader, effective and efficient trader by trading in a demo environment, right? You got to practice, right? Practice, practice, practice. And live trading. So those are the three options: demo, prop firm, and live trading. Live trading just means you're trading in with your money. So if you have $1,000 in your trading account, that's all of your money. If you win, whatever you win, that's yours, right? You take your money and you do whatever you want with it. I highly recommend reinvesting a little bit back in so that you can continue to grow. But that's all about strategy. We're not here to talk about that right now. You're going to have access to the live sessions that I talked about. We'll go here first. We have access to the live session. So whether it's Sunday through Saturday, well, Sunday through Friday, there's educators on different various time frames, different various languages, right? German, and Spanish, Arabian, Arabic, different educations that they have here. You want an opportunity to learn about the educators that do Forex, the educators that do crypto, right? Educators that do futures, right? That teaches futures, educators that do indices, right? Like US 30 or Dow Jones, US 30, Dow Jones, NAS 100, or some of the indice markets. Gold, those, educators who trade gold. But let's not be mistaken, ladies and gentlemen. You can trade anything with this skill set. If you develop it properly, you could trade any market. I don't care if it's stocks. I don't care if it's binary options. I don't care what it is. Once you develop your skill set, there's no limit, right? So regardless of the language, the educators here, you're going to have access. They got a step-by-step education, platform. Again, whether you're a beginner, whether you're advanced, or whether you're an expert, right? It lays it out for you. How many courses? They got 105 courses as of today, right? 6 courses in total for just to get familiar with Akashx, the world of the beginning of traders. You go through these courses and curriculums, right? Educator series. So again, if one of the educators, they have specific videos. Let's go to English real quick because I'm speaking English. Different educators here that speak English, right? Different educators that speak French. Well, no, not French. Sorry, not French here. I did see one for was Spanish. Spanish. It's a primary language. A lot of them for English and Spanish, right? But there's room to grow. There's room to grow. So some of them are advanced and some of them are beginners. But they're giving you the step-by-step blueprint. If you miss one of the live sessions, you can click on here at the top. It says recorded. Now you can go back and watch their recorded sessions. Arabella's a phenomenal young trader. I think she's about 21 years old. If she's not a millionaire now, I'd be amazed because she is really awesome. Rich Vendega, really good. Mateo, Sebastian, Preston Gomez. There's a lot of great educators here that you can tap into. So an educator might be, my cup of tea. It may not be your cup of tea. But there's somebody here that can relate to what your skill set is. And this is another one of the things that we provide here with our community and within our community is other educators. We have other tools and resources that we use that in conjunction with what Akashx offers community-wide. We are here to help you build as a trader and help you build a natural business out of this, right? As far as trading, right? I told you about Tap to Trade earlier. So you're going to have access to Tap to Trade here. One of the educators, whichever one of these educators throughout the day, they post their trades. Well, a notification will come across your phone and a trade will pop out. You decide whether you want to approve the trade to take it or not. It automatically, all you got to do is select approve, right? It automatically chooses whatever your lot size is going to be for those that understand what I'm talking about. And it automatically suggests your risk tolerance. So this isn't something that's going to take you to the moon, right? Take you into financial heaven. However, it is something that will start the engine and move the needle forward towards the progression of your trading success and journey. Also in here, the total amounts of trades they took, whether they've won trades, lost trades, all of that information is in here. The last trade they took, date and time. So of course, you don't want to take something that is out of date, out of time. And I don't know if I said this lastly. You have 2 minutes, 2 minutes from the time that they call a trade to put this trade in. That's what I love. So it's the trade is not lingering. Like right now, it's at all zeros. I can't select approve. I'm clicking on approve, and it's a no go. If a trade came out and it select approve, it'll confirm that I want to take the trade, and then boom, I'm in a trade. So this is great for people that are on the go, on the move, or may not know how to trade, but they know how to push a button. They know how to say yeah, right? So that's one of the features, a copy trader feature that Akashx has, and it's called Tap to Trade. You're also going to have access to pulse signals, and this is your trade alert. So various educators will pull out their trade alerts, and you have the capabilities of deciphering whether you want to take the trades or not. Again, for some people, this stuff looks foreign, and that's fine. We can get past that. If you can allow yourself and give yourself a chance to get past that, then we can lead you to success, right? Whatever the trade put out, like this young lady I spoke about earlier, Arabella. She does nothing. She really trades only gold, and it'll be either a buy or a sell. She got the EP for entry price, SL for stop loss. TP 1 through 5 is in here, right? So however many TP, these are opportunities for you to place a trade. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, take profit 4, take profit 5, whatever's available. And if the trade is still active, great. I can take a look at it, and maybe quite possibly I'll take that trade, right? These are scalp trades, so it lets you know the types of orders that they're creating. Majority of these trades that are being placed in here, the majority are scalp. Some educators, depending on them, they got to break and retest, depending on the strategy, right? And what I like about it, notes. So if a trade has been successful or not, or whatever the progression is, you're going to see the educator place their notes here, right? These are past trades in here, right? These are the trade alerts, trade ideas. Again, you can utilize tools like MetaTrader 4 or Trade Locker is one of them. So I got my Trade Locker on here. I would take a trade and put it in here. Look, this is a trade for gold right now. Right now it's consolidating right now, but gold was doing good. It's almost at $4,500 right now. Whew. Gold is really going up, but you're going to utilize tools like this to execute your trades to maximize your success and hopefully pass your prop firm. And guess what? Get 80% of the profit. Keep that for yourself and do whatever you like with it. Pay a bill, pay a mortgage, take the lady out on a date, take your husband out on a date, take whatever it is that you like to do. You should always treat yourself. Definitely recommend that. So again, these are the trade alerts that you have here. Crypto trading. You get what I like about crypto trading. You're going to get access to the crypto trader here. They have a platform called Zeus Trader. So just like Tap to Trade, ladies and gentlemen, where an educator puts out a trade and you can decide whether you want to approve the trade or not. Here with Zeus Trader, it allows you to put a trade out, right? It allows the educator to trade for you. So you're just copying the crypto trades, whether it's gold, it's Ethereum, Ripple, whatever other currencies out there. Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, there's a whole education behind it, right? You got the Crypto Academy. So you're going to get access to all of the things that are going to lead you to the success of how to trade it. First of all, you better know how to protect your crypto. I know a lot of people say, hey, I have crypto already. Great. I'm glad you got it. Where do you have it? Is it Coinbase? Is it Trade? Is it Cash App? Is it crypto.com? Is it whatever it is, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to want to put your money or your crypto in a place where it's going to be more secure because those are public keys, and you want to put them where the private keys are. You want to have something like a ledger or cold storage. You want to put it somewhere else where it can be more successful. Here, we're going to show you how to step by step walk you through the process of making sure that happens. I know a lot of people have crypto, but a lot of people need to invest in the education behind all of these cryptos. Why are you utilizing a resource of that crypto, especially if it isn't backed by something that will add value to it, like the American dollar? If it was backed by gold, it'd be great, but it's not backed by that. But that's a different subject, right? But we're going to have those conversations. You're going to have access to our Radex scanners. So we got various scanners here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, where you're going to be able to utilize this tool and resource to take trades, right? Educators in here, they're giving some trade ideas in here, right? Smart tools here, ladies and gentlemen. So you want to be able to keep track of your trades. You want to keep track of your success, right? You want to keep track, right? Use the smart tools, Sage Assistants. This right here, you can summarize and create a journal for yourself. And what this will do is, depending on the growth of your trading and how is it going, this will create a plan for you to maximize and be more successful and give you a weekly performance report, right? So, I mean, I don't take a lot of tap to trades because I'm just pretty good at trading already. So, but you can utilize the tool and resource. Again, it's great for beginners and great for people that are on the go, right? So, again, this is a great tool, a resource that Akashx offers. I highly recommend that you contact the person that showed you this information. Contact the person that is leading the way in this space so that you can maximize your trading capabilities. You can get access to a community like ours in Rich University that is allowing people to maximize their trading efforts. Here I am clicking on to it right now, right? So there's a lot of things that we do inside of our Rich University community that's up to the success, keeping people aware and abreast. So you're not in this by yourself, for yourself. You're in this with partnerships, right? And this is our dynamic leader here and mentor, Ambassador Dr. China Bethley. Great track record. And listen, right now, we're right now in now it's the 22nd right now. So we just started a marketing campaign right now. It's called Trade and Travel. What that's going to do is give you access and savings of $100. You're going to get access to a 10K challenge account. You're going to get access to a trade and travel platform. You're also going to get access to a 7-night resort travel certificate. You're going to be able to receive that. Typically, and again, you really got until the end of the year to make this happen. So if you're watching this video right now, you want to make sure you get back with the person that invites you to this space, because for $149 to get started, and then monthly going forward, it's $149. Listen, that doesn't happen. And you're going to get a free trip, the 7-day trip. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. This is the perfect time for this. And again, that's for this year right now. And lastly, but not least, how much does all this cost? I'm going to go ahead and select get started. And right now, as you can see, right now to get started right now with Akashx. So you got 3 different things right now. Again, that's the Christmas promo that's being offered right now. You got monthly, the regular normal monthly price here. You got 3 months, 6 months, and annual. So I'm gonna explain briefly what the differences with them. With this Christmas special that's for a limited time only, right? You're gonna get access to the Akashx Academy, Tap the Trade, Oracle live sessions, where again you're gonna be able to see the live sessions of the educators and get access to their recordings. You're gonna have access to the pulse signals. That's the trade alerts that comes out. You're gonna get access to the crypto academy. You're gonna get access to Zeus, right? You're gonna get access to Zeus. Be able to place your money. For those who don't really know what to do as far as trading, I know some people that they just don't want to trade. They just want to put their money somewhere where it can grow and maximize. They're tired of seeing their money on these platforms and it's either just going up or down. This gives you leverage to allow this gives you opportunity to allow an expert trade, and you do a copy trade, and whatever the success is, that's your success, ladies and gentlemen. So the more you put in, the more you get back in return. So you're going to get access to the Radex scanners. I explained that. You're going to get access to the logs and journals so you can document your journey. This is going to be important. This is your track record, ladies and gentlemen. Document your journey. You're going to get access to the Luma real-time analytics. So these are real-time analytics. Did you do good or bad? What are the numbers? Like men lie, women lie, but what are the numbers? If you're trading in your with the tap to trade, you'll see all those things in Sage. AI assistant. This assistant, again, is going to be able to help you become a better trader. Just like Chat GPT, we have Sage AI assistant that specifically tailors your needs for your trading adventure. Now, for trading travel, ladies and gentlemen, which is the one I highly recommend you doing, you get everything with regard to the trading platform, including a $10,000 trading account, but you're also going to get discounts on hotels, 70% off on hotels to be exact, over 1 million hotels and resorts worldwide. You're going to get discounts on cars, discounts on cruises, discounts on weekly resorts, 7-day, 7-night stays, different various activities. I don't know where you like to eat, but if you can get a discounts on the places that you like to eat, well, welcome to Akashx. If you go shopping and you like to buy things like any normal human being would, guess what? Wouldn't you like a discount? And especially if it's over 150 plus places and realtors. And again, immediately you get to enjoy a 7-night luxury resort at a 350 3,500 plus locations worldwide. Okay, I believe this is just throughout the United States, Mexico, just here in the States. But all of this stuff is being offered to you, and you're going to pay a nominal activation fee. I believe it's like $24, $40, and enjoy your luxury travel. And again, you get this upon joining Akashx. Normally, this particular package is this much trade and travel. Monthly, right? You get it trimmings, right? You get all the trimmings, you get all that information. But this 7-day subscription here, the travel bonus, I said on day one with the discount, you get access to that. Here, you would have had to do 6 months. So you have until the end of this year, ladies and gentlemen, 2025, to make this happen. Okay. Again, access is everything. Again, you're going to get a $10,000 account. Now, for those who said are more serious as opposed to just being curious and you just been putting your pinky toe in, guess what? You're going to get access to, you can get a 3-month account. With this, you get a $25,000 account. Same thing, you get everything, you pay $549, right? You pay $549 for that. A 6-month account, you get access to a $50,000 trading account, a prop firm trading account. It's about $1,000. Or you get the annual. For those who you just don't want to play around with it, just go ahead and I just want to lock myself in for a year. These are serious people. These right here, these are serious people. These are people that have the resources to be able to do something like this. But if you have to start with the holiday special, just start and get the door open. You can always upgrade later, right? But again, for those who are serious and don't have to worry about a monthly, hey, listen, we can provide the opportunity for you to take care of that. And if the monthly thing is a thing, we have a tool here called 3 and Free. So if you present this information to whoever, people that you come in contact with, and they say, yes, this is something that they want to do, 3 active clients will qualify you for 3 and Free. This means that you don't have to pay for your membership, whichever one you have, 3 months, 6 months, annual, 3 and Free. Remember that, 3 and Free. This is your scholarship for free education, for free access to our community. This is your opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. So again, we have a lot of tools and resources here. I want you to take advantage. Welcome to Akashx. I'm going to be the first to welcome you aboard. Leave a comment down below. Like, share, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and listen, where do you want to take your future? What will you become? I highly recommend, again, get back with the person that showed you this information, and let's go ahead and partner up and let's do some business. Let's point you in the right direction. Or if you know somebody that this information can benefit, please share. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dre, the Bread Talker, Dre Lavelle. Look forward to partnering with you and doing business with you, or seeing you on this platform and doing some phenomenally amazing things. Talk to me.